How to delete Wells Fargo application on your iPhone device. Are you guys facing issues to uninstall Wells Fargo on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. Just head over to the Wells Fargo application on a mobile device. Hold it for a second. Once you hold it, you can see multiple options. Just simply tap and remove app. Now click and delete. Now again tap and delete. Once you click and delete, your app will be instantly deleted from your device. So as you guys can see, the app has been uninstalled on our device. That's it guys, that's how we're gonna uninstall Wells Fargo app on our iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Wells Fargo, make sure to comment down below so that I can easily help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.